What's up, guys? Hey, Colton Woods here, and I want to show you guys something like that just completely shocked me. Now, I've been online and I've done online business for a long time. I mean, I know I look super young, but it's been like 11 years that I've been doing stuff online, trying to, just trying anything and everything and doing fun stuff, right? But I came across something the other day that I was absolutely shocked by. Like, I couldn't believe that this was even an option for people. Now, if you don't know anything online, so typically when you make money online or try to make money online, you have to have a product, right? Some kind of thing that you sell, whether that be actually physically or digitally, like you have to be able to sell something. And then on the other side, if you don't have that, then you have to know how to essentially drive traffic, like do ads that send to somebody else's product, or you do both, right? You have your own product and you send ads to your own product, or people to your product and you sell it, right? This is the first time in history where you haven't had to do either of those and you can make money online. Like, this is insane. Now, it's not a flash in the pan kind of thing. It doesn't have to do with AI. It's not techie. It's not like you have to be a complete nerd on stuff. You don't have to use a bunch of softwares or anything. It's literally, if you live in the US, Canada, the UK, or India. I feel like there's another one in there. It's going to be getting even farther out. But if you live in any of those places, you can do this literally. You can set up an income stream pretty fast and be making some money online really quick, which is crazy. So I want to show you a little bit of what it entails, and actually kind of show you kind of what it is and how easy it is. So let me pull over here and I'll show you my computer screen real quick. So here you can see, you know what, I'm popping in there. Okay, I just want to make sure I can see myself still, but cool. I could make sure that I'm right. Now you can see this is a live page. You can see in the last, or this month, right? So last 9 days, I've made an extra $500, which isn't crazy money online, but if you could make an extra $1,700 a month doing something like this, that would change some things for some people. Now, I've probably put 15, maybe 20 minutes of work into this week. So before this, I've put in a few hours of work, right, or time into this, but I did it really like at night. Like, you can do this any time of the day. You can do this like, it doesn't matter when. You don't have to be crazy or do it during the day, or be reliant on somebody else. So now I'm only like I want to say technically third month into this, and in the first 2 months of doing this, I was able to set up something that's making me, $500 every 9 days ish, right? So I'm making about $50 a day, which for some people that could be huge, right? And I know, I mean, this is great little extra income for the family. It gives me a little bit extra income for options for what I want to do with it, right? I don't know, like, what could $500, or I guess maybe $1,500, $2,000 a month do for you, right? So I'm not going to scroll up because it shows my personal information on here, but this is essentially what it is. So here on Amazon, they actually have a influencer program. So this is my storefront. You can see me here. You can see some products that I have down here. Really, all this is there's a way to review a product in your house that you have around. Just, I mean, everybody's got something in their house they can review or talk about that is sold on Amazon. You don't have to buy it from Amazon. You could literally go down to Walmart, buy it at Walmart, and review it on Amazon and make some money on Amazon. That's how crazy this is. So you don't have to have bought it on Amazon. You literally just have to have the product. You don't even have to own the product. If you have the physical product in front of you, you can do a video on it. And all it is Amazon wants real, raw videos. They want videos of people showing the products themselves. Like, hey, what do you actually like about it? And they found that this sells products on Amazon better than their own ads do. And so they're like, hey, what if we got people to review these products? We'll put it on here, let me show you this. So essentially, this is the way it works. I'm going to pull up Amazon. Let's go. You know what? I think this one. Yeah, so I mean, like, typically on products, here, you know what? I know this one. Sorry, give me a second here. So I have a OWC Thunderbolt 3 dock for my computer. And this is one. This is a little bit of a crazier review that I did, but essentially right here you'll see on the side. So you've got the product here, and then price, whatever it may be. If you go here and you click on videos, so you'll see videos for this product, right? Now there's videos here, but what's cool is there's related videos. Now you can see this one's actually me right here. So that's me. I did a video on this. You can go see it live for yourself if you want to, but I did a video on this. And then I uploaded it to Amazon right here, just uploaded it to it. Now you do have to get approved for this, and there are ways to, essentially I can teach you on how to do that very quickly. I'll put a link down the bottom here of how you can do that, where to go to learn how to do that. But essentially I just uploaded it here, and then Amazon, like you'll see it up here on my influencer page, which this is really, like, you don't need to really worry about this. This just kind of happens automatically. You'll set this up initially once you get approved to be an influencer, but you don't have to be anything near an actual influencer in order to do this. Literally anybody and everybody can get approved for this. There's just a couple steps you got to take in order to do that, right? So I upload, I get some videos here, and then literally I make money on those videos. So you can see these are actually videos, or these are products that I've helped sell on Amazon, and I'm making commissions on. All I did was record a video. Literally, that's it. So if you want to learn how to do this yourself and really make this happen for yourself, like you can see, let me see if I can, I'll just show you my complete thing here. So I got started, I think I was approved for this on the 1st of March, 2023. So you can see when this video is actually happening, when this actually, and this is all real and live here. I'm going to apply that, and then you can see here's my actual progress, right? So first day I didn't make much, right? $6.88, $8, $10, $7. So it wasn't much, right? And then I just kind of kept adding some videos here and there. And honestly, they're real raw videos. They're nothing crazy. This is more of a, this is a pretty raw video itself, but this is more than I do on that. Literally on these, I'm just like, hey, here's this product that I have in my house. This is what I like about it. This is what I don't like about it. And then I just upload it to Amazon. They put it on there for me. And then if somebody watches that video and then buys the product, I make a commission. It's the easiest, simplest thing I've ever seen online. Anybody can do this, and I can show you how to. Just check it out in the description. But yeah, so you can see this is all live. This is where I'm at. Yesterday I made $70, right? Last 2 days I made $70. Like, if you could make $50 a day on average, what would that do for you, right? So anyway, I'm gonna go back here, come back to my face over here. And yeah, so if you're interested on knowing how you can do this yourself and get it set up and rolling really within like the next couple weeks, you could be doing something just like this yourself for the next couple weeks. So check out the description below. I'll throw a link in there and you can go from there. Anyway, enjoy, and I hope that helps you guys out a bit.